My name is Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Actually, today I do know what I'm doing. Today is going to be a tutorial of a summer sunset eye look. Yes, another one. But I'm going to be using the Too Faced Clover palette. This is a look that I have done before, just not on my channel. I'm going to start with my dollar store brush and my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 110 Porcelain just to set my eyeshadow, because this palette doesn't really have a setting shade. And I know the colors I'm going to be using, sometimes they stick if the primer isn't set. Next I'm using my fluffy brush from Wish and I'm going into Good Boy, which is the matte yellow. This is going to be my transition shade. Next I'm taking my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it, and I'm going into the matte pink, Love is Love, and that is going in my crease. And it's going to create a pinky peach kind of shade, which is what I want. But I don't want to cover up all the yellow. Next I'm going in with my Ivy White crease brush and I'm going to go deeper into my crease with the matte burgundy, Daddy's Love Me. No, I tried to alter my new setup a little bit and I still need to alter it some more because I can't see what I'm doing. Next I'm going to take the shimmery purple, which is TF Mascot, and that's going on my lid. Unfortunately, this shade does need to be built up. I feel like this shade is not unique anymore. Even Too Faced itself has made a couple palettes with this shade in it. So another one is the Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. Well, I guess that one came first, then this one. But that one I feel is better quality. Another one that they made and I also feel is better quality is the one in the Best Year Ever 2018 palette. I think it's called Unwrap Me. Next I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it. I'm going into the same shade and I'm just going on my lower lash line with it. And for the last step, I'm going in with a mix of Puppy Eyes and Cuteness Overload. If you have a deeper skin tone, you can definitely use Cuteness Overload by itself. But for me, I cannot. It's too dark. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye. See you next time.